Number 13, want to evaluate the log. And we're going to round off to 2 decimal places. So, I think just because it says evaluated, it wants to put it in the calculator. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot we can do by hand. 13. We got LN, and then inside we got LOG, and then inside of that we have 490. So I guess if you were doing this by hand, the most you could do would be to break this 490 up. So I can break it down to 10 times 49. And then I could get rid of one of the logs, but then I couldn't get rid of the other one. So this would be log, this is just the inside part, a 10 times 49. And then you can rewrite this log as log of 10 plus log of 49, which I'll write as 7 squared. And then 10 and 10 are the same base, so you can rewrite that as 1 plus, I'll just say 2 log of 7. But then that doesn't really help us because that's still inside ln, and then we got to evaluate that. So, and then there's no property for adding inside of log. So let's just type it all in just like that and evaluate it. I don't think there's much we can do by hand, especially since it says 2 decimal places. So let's just number crunch in the calculator. Turn it on. I'm going to type ln, which is down here on the left side of the calculator. And then I'm going to type log. And then I'm going to type 490. And then close, close. And we get 0.99 when you round to 2 decimal places. And then this one, it says to evaluate, round off to 2 decimal places. So again, I will just evaluate this in the calculator. So if you have this nice 84, it has an operating system that will allow you to do change of base. If you do not, then you'll have to do something else, which I'll show you that in just a moment. So first I'm going to do it like this. So you have to type in the coefficient first, which is 6. And then you hit the alpha button, and then the window button, because it's the second one. And then option number 5 says log base. So just go down there and hit 5. And so now we see 6, log, it's waiting for the base, which is 8. And then arrow over, and then I input my 15, and I get this. So this is one way if you have the change of base formula. Now if you, this is one way if you have the 84, which has the operating system. If you do not have that calculator, then you have to do change of base. Change of base. And so what that means is if you have some base other than 10, log base B, and you're evaluating at some number A, that means you're going to do log base 10 of A. You can do any base really, but that's what the calculator does automatically, divided by log base 10 of B. This is also the same as ln of A divided by ln of B. Okay, you can just do it to a natural log or whatever. But whatever you're evaluating on top, whatever the base is on bottom, and then you get there. So we're going to do that change of base with this problem. So we have 6 log base 8 of 15. So first I got to get this 6 off of there, so I'm going to bring 16 up. So log base 8 of 15 to the 6th power. All right. So this is what's on top, this is what's on bottom. So what I will do, and I'll show you both, log of 15 to the 6th power on top, and then log of 8 on the bottom will give me the same thing as natural log of 15 to the 6 on top. Now I don't know why I wrote the 6 outside once and inside, but it does the same. So don't let that confuse you. ln of 8. Okay, so both of those will give me the same answer. Let's show that real quick. So, and then the other answer that we typed in should still be there. So we're looking to get 7.813781191 exactly. So I'm going to do just log log 15 raised to the 6 divided by log log, that's the base 10 of 8 divided by 8. So look, 7.813, exact same decimal number. Now if I do it with ln, same thing. And just to show you, I'm going to put the parenthesis on the outside this time, or the 6th power. I don't know why I did that, but I just do that sometimes. Arrow over, divide by ln of 8. Okay, so it does make a difference when you put it like that in the calculator. It does a 15 and then evaluates that on the outside. So let me go up and be careful. So be careful writing it differently. I know what I mean, but the calculator does something different. So let me go back here and delete that out, and then go here and do second, insert, and then raise 6. Here we go. So put it inside with the calculator, and then you see the same decimal, 7.8137811191. Okay, so we want to round to 2 decimal places, so that will be 7.81.